Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's a must-have for anyone who needs reliable hand protection: the basic medical blue nitrile exam gloves. This is not just any glove. This is the best case of gloves you can get your hands on. These gloves come in a convenient case of 1,000, making them perfect for both personal and professional use. Whether you're a healthcare professional, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who likes to keep things clean, these nitrile gloves have got you covered. Let's talk about the features that make these gloves stand out. First off, they're latex-free and powder-free, making them an excellent choice for those with allergies or sensitivities. This means you can wear them comfortably without worrying about skin irritation. Made from high-quality blue nitrile, these gloves provide a smooth finish for better tactile feedback. You'll appreciate how easy it is to handle small objects or perform intricate tasks while wearing them. The glove thickness is also well thought out. The fingers measure 0.12 mm thick, while the palms are at 0.08 mm. This gives you both durability and dexterity, making them suitable for a wide range of applications. Putting these gloves on is a breeze. They slide on easily, providing a snug yet comfortable fit. This is essential, especially if you need to wear them for extended periods. They're designed to be disposable, so once you're done, simply toss them away. No mess, no fuss. The versatility of these gloves is another major plus. From medical exams to food handling and household cleaning, you'll find yourself reaching for these gloves time and time again. And because they come in bulk, you won't have to worry about running out anytime soon. At just $42.99 for 1,000 gloves, that's an incredible deal. That breaks down to only 4 cents per glove. When you think about the level of protection and versatility these gloves provide, it's clear that they're worth every penny. So to wrap it up, the basic medical blue nitrile exam gloves are durable, latex-free, and perfect for any task. With a bulk quantity, smooth tactile feedback, and comfortable fit, they truly are the best case of gloves you can find on the market today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in these gloves, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Until next time, stay safe and keep your hands protected.